Hello everyone, my name is Kanika Chauhan. Welcome to my channel and this is my first video, and in this video we are going to talk about what is Salesforce, why to choose Salesforce, what are Salesforce product and the services. So let's get started. Salesforce started as a company providing CRM on cloud. Now, what is CRM? Customer Relationship Management. This is the most efficient technique to create relationship with your customers. Now the question arises, why we shifted on the cloud and what were the problems faced using these traditional CRM. Now in traditional IT system, what happens if you want to implement your own business criteria? Then you have to establish your own hardware infrastructure, need to install so many complex softwares, and the most important thing, you have to be careful about your security mechanism. Now what Salesforce has done, he already provided you the common infrastructure to start your business. Now, no need of the dedicated network team, no need to install so many complex software, and the most important thing, no need to implement security architecture. So as a Salesforce developer, no need to worry about all this hardware and the software system. You just need to start building up your application on the platform, because all these factors will be taken care of by the service provider. So we come to the conclusion that Salesforce is the cloud-based technology, and till now whatever we have discussed is the SaaS aspect of the Salesforce. Now let's talk about the PaaS aspect of the Salesforce, which makes Salesforce more popular and profitable business. So 1 minute, you guys must be having a confusion, might be having a confusion between SaaS and the PaaS. So let me clear you that first. Salesforce is providing you the software to use, so also known as the service provider, and also providing you the platform to build, customize your application according to your requirements, so also known as the platform provider. Now we came to the question, what is Salesforce in today's market? According to the International Data Corporation, that is IDC, Salesforce ecosystem will create 3.3 million jobs by the year 2022. The annualized job growth rate is expected to be 65%. All the tech giants like Google, Amazon, Facebook, all in the other way are using Salesforce either in the form of Salesforce CRM or the platform to create applications. Now let's take an example. Let's talk about the HR system. Every organization or a company having its own HR team, so they also need an application to store employees' data, where they can track all the biometrics and their employees' information. So this is the basic need which every company requires. So as a developer, what I can do, I can create a common application and put it on the cloud and provide that application to multiple clients as a service. Now we talk about the sales services and the products offered by the Salesforce. We have Sales Cloud, Community Cloud, Analytic Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and IoT Cloud, Healthcare Cloud, and many more. And Salesforce also offers App Exchange, that is the online marketplace, which has many third parties and add-ons. As Salesforce is so widely used, many developers have contributed many applications on this App Exchange. The success of Salesforce is based on excellent management, the clear company strategy, and a business model with a developer community and easy to use platform which is delivered in a very effective manner. Thus we can say Salesforce is an excellent example for e-commerce company. I hope you got an idea about Salesforce and able to answer what is Salesforce. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and learn more about Salesforce in my upcoming videos. Thank you.